Okay, so the next thing we want to do is create our completely free Shopify account. And in fact, you're looking at the last slide here where I asked you to please click here to access Shopify. So if you haven't done that, please go back and click on the link. Now, when you click on the link, you will be taken straight to Shopify. And now we have some very simple steps that we're going to take in order to actually set up that free account. Now, the first thing we're going to do is enter our email address. So for me, tim@ecommercemindset.com. And then just simply click on Get Started. So now all you need to do is to choose some sort of password and then to select a store name. Now at this stage, you don't need to worry about coming up with a store name that you're ultimately going to use. Just choose any store name because we can change all this later, as you'll see as we progress through the course. Now if you're struggling, just use your name, so in my case Tim for example, and then just put hot deals or super deals or bargain deals or whatever it might be on the end. So I'm going to do exactly that, and I'm just going to call it Tim's Super Deals, okay? And if it's not available, it will tell you at that point. Okay, so very, very straightforward. So just come up with a simple store name like that, and then just click on Create Your Store. Goes through a few setup steps, and then it asks us to tell us a little bit about ourselves, okay? So are you already selling? Please choose one. I'm going to choose I'm not selling products yet, okay? That's exactly where we are. And what is your current revenue? Well, at the moment, we are just getting started, okay? This you can leave unchecked, nothing you need to do there, and then just click on Next. Now this form, you'll see the title is Add an Address so you can get paid, okay? Jumping the gun a little bit, we haven't actually got to the point where you're making some great money, but nevertheless, it does need certain details. So you can see it needs the first name, the last name, your address. Again, all of this can be changed later, okay, if you need to. So I'm just going to fill in my details. And once I've done that, all I need to do is click on Enter My Store. And believe it or not, you'll then be looking at your store. Now, of course, a lot of this won't make sense. And that's what the next lecture is all about. I'm going to take you by the hand. I'm going to guide you through Shopify. I'm going to show you how all of this works. So please don't be overwhelmed. I'm going to take care of everything step by step. So super congratulations. You've done the first step of setting up your very own Shopify store.